Hello, my name is Mark Evans. This is MIU 1207. This is week 3, project 3. And this week we did a prototype of our app, but for a second version. And the point was to fix some of the pain points from the previous week and to actually go back out and have some users from the public do some usability testing. So I did that, and the first thing before I get started, before I report some of the findings here, I'm going to go through version 2 of the app so you can kind of get a general idea of what I did and some of the stuff that I changed from the previous week. So starting up the app, when the app starts now, there's a login feature. It takes you right there, gets it right out of the way instead of it loading up the app and then going from there. So we'll start here. If you click it, this is the screen it comes to. If you're a new user, you can click here and start filling out the info. If you don't fill it out right, then you'll get one of these error prompts that you need to fix it. So hit OK here, hit save, go back here. You can log in either with Facebook or the regular login. If you forget the password, you can hit this prompt. It'll prompt you to go to tab.com/help, and you can kind of resolve your issue. So when you log in, you come here to this main screen, and this is kind of like your navigation here to some of the fast things that you can do, some of the essential parts of the app. So click locations, you can see the nearby apps, you can see the annotations. I did have a couple users say that they would like to be able to click here to go directly to the restaurant itself. I didn't add that functionality, but that will be something that on the final version that will be implemented. Kind of like a little arrow, you click it and it'll take you right to the location. So if I click that, it'll go right to this screen, and you can still see the annotation in the map view, and you can go from there. But back to where I was. You can go here to buy credits, into your credit information. It'll add to the account. There's a search feature. You can kind of search within the app, restaurants, whatever features you want to do. Pay tab. This will be your current tab that you, whatever restaurant you're at, and what you have on your list, including the tax information, tip information. When you go to pay it, you'll get one of these prompts saying that payment withdrawal. Hit done. You can go to your settings. You can go to your account profile. You can see the current tab. Going back to the screen, you can add credits from that screen. You can gift a friend from there. This gift a friend feature, you can actually click the user you want to gift. There's a slider here to where you can send money. Once you send it, it'll give you a payment withdrawal thing. Go back to your search screen. You can give it to different users. You can kind of use your search feature to find more friends within Facebook or whatever type of integration that can go forward from here. You can log out, takes you back to the log out screen, log back in. My little info button that tells you about the app and who created it and all that. The near me is basically the list view of the map of the nearby locations. You click on a location here, you can see the annotation. You can go to the menu, it can show you a little bit of food. A lot of this will be changed to whatever the restaurants offer. You click it, it'll be added to the tab. You can close it, it goes back to that restaurant. Same here, you can add a special, adds it right to the tab. You can hit close. You can gift like one of the beers or one of the specials to a friend. Select the user, it'll give you a little prompt of gift a friend payment. Send there. There's more I want to elaborate on that anyways. That was some of the pain points from this week. some of the users got a little confused when they would go to gift a friend, and there's another screen that I want to implement that'll show more of the search feature to find friends, to reconfirm that you want to actually gift this item instead of just automatically assuming that they did and they didn't hit it by accident. It kind of automatically submits a payment when you click it. So that's some of the pain points that I have for this week. I gotta elaborate a little bit more in that area, but overall, the point of the gift a friend feature I did implement, and that was something that I didn't have last week that I had on my ADS. So like I said, that's pretty much the app in itself here. There's a search feature here too, and you can access the map from here. That's pretty much the app in a nutshell here. And I'm going to go ahead and report some of my findings from last week. And the overall impression of the app, I had 2 that said great, 4 that said good. And what I got from that is they actually like the app. Is the brand distinguished from others? 6 said yes. So like I said, they all found this app to be unique. And the basic tasks, 5 said good, 1 said fair. What I got from that is they didn't have problems, getting through the app and doing what they needed to do. I didn't really have to guide them as much this week as I did last week, so that was a good sign. Basic tasks, that's what I already went over. Navigation, and 4 said no and 2 said maybe. So what that means is they didn't have problems with the navigation. Like I said, they seem to be on point this week. That was something from last week where I had 1 had no problems with the navigation, 4 said maybe, and 1 said no. So there were some issues last week with the overall flow of my app. Was anything confusing? 5 put none and 1 put other, so I take that there really wasn't anything confusing about this week's prototype. Another thing that we went over, part of the questions was the UI. How did they like it? And 3 said awesome, 2 said good, 1 said fair, and I believe the one guy that said fair, the only thing he didn't like was the color, because he's not a big fan of red. But other than that, he kind of liked the design and the graphics and stuff. So kind of spent a little bit of extra time this week, or with this project, trying to make sure the UI elements look nice and pretty. So that's pretty much it. And like I said, as far as new pain points, I would say with the gift a friend, like I said, everything was pretty straightforward. The next thing I want to do here is actually get the app functioning within Xcode and try to implement some of these features. I do have to say, as far as pain points, other than the gift a friend feature, I did leave out. About the. A couple of users said they wanted to see more Facebook integration. More of Facebook UI elements that they could see as far as part of the profile and gift a friend. So there's a lot I can do with this app that I didn't quite get to. So what I'm showing here on my screen is my actual re-follow-up survey for the tab version 2, and pretty much the same questions. I added a question about, would you gift a friend to a friend's cat with this app? Would you recommend this app to a friend? And actually, all of my participants said that they would recommend this app to a friend. They actually liked the idea a lot, and 4 of them said that they would actually use the gift feature. 2 said maybe. So, like I said, what I get from that is that might be a feature that would be pretty popular within the app. So that's it for this week, and like I said, I look forward to next week of actually getting this up and running. And not really much else to go over here. Hopefully everybody else did well on their project, and I look forward to seeing your guys' videos. Anyways, take care. Goodbye.